Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update keyboard drivers on your laptop. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to tap on the search bar on the bottom left corner and then search for device manager and then tap on it. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to look for keyboards, and once you have found keyboard, you'll have to tap on keyboard and you'll find standard PS2 keyboard. You'll have to right click on it and then you'll find a bunch of different options. You'll have to tap on update driver, and after that tap on search automatically for drivers, and it's saying that the best drivers for your devices are already installed. It means your drivers are already updated to the latest and best version, so you'll have to tap on close and then close it. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.